Hello, welcome to Master Mathematics. My name is Mr. A, and in this video, you are going to learn how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. So there are 3 steps here, and in this video, we've got our example right here on the right, and we're going to walk through just this one example in these 3 steps. So first of all, a mixed number is what you see here. I added in, obviously, the arrows, a multiplication sign, an addition sign. But the 5 1/2, that would be a mixed number where you have a whole number here, which is 5. You have the numerator of 1, which is in green, and the denominator of 2, which is in red. So your first step is that you are going to multiply the whole number and the denominator. And that's why I wrote in this multiplication sign. All right. And why I wrote in this arrow, because it's kind of, you're working like clockwise here in this case. So you multiply 2 times 5, and of course you get 10. And I'm just going to write 10 up here in parentheses, so this way you know. And you know what? I could write 10 a little better than that. So let's give that another shot. But this is just to keep it straight. Obviously, you do not need to write this in when you're doing it, but it's a nice little trick just to write it here, so this way you don't forget. I'm going to put it, like I said, in parentheses. Okay, so I multiplied 5 times 2, I got 10. Now, on to step number 2. Step number 2, you're going to add the product of the whole number and the denominator, which is 10, to the numerator. All right, so in this case, pretty straightforward, right? You're going to add 10 plus 1, and you're going to get 11, and I'm going to bring that into the answer. And then step number 3 down here, that number becomes the numerator. That is what we just did. And the denominator stays the same. So the 2 just carries right over here. And guess what? That's all for today's video. Converting a mixed number to an improper fraction, super important. You need to do that to perform all of the operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So it's vital that you know how to do this. Practice it, drill it, make sure you learn it, make sure you master it. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Mr. A. This channel is Master Mathematics. And until the next video, adios.